My students most times get confused about when to use gone and been in sentences. In this video, I'll teach you exactly when to use them to avoid grammar errors. Okay? Both gone and been are past participle tense. That's the similarity between them. Relating to the verb go. So both of them have to do with someone going somewhere, okay? Even as both of them relate to go, there are different times to use them in sentences. I'll teach you the difference between them and exactly when to use them in sentences using these quiz questions. So as we answer each of the questions, I will explain further, okay? 1. I have blank to London 3 times. This sentence has to do with someone's experience of traveling to London. And we use one of these to talk about one's experience, which is being. So being has to do with a person's experience. So the correct words to use here is been. I have been to London 3 times. He has never blanked to that restaurant. This sentence also talks about someone's experience. The person has never visited a restaurant. So this sentence is about a person's experience. So for experience, we use been. He has never been to that restaurant. 3. The children have blank to bed. This sentence talks about the children going to bed and they are still there. Now, whenever you talk about someone going somewhere and has not returned, use gone. So we use gone to talk about someone that has not returned. So, gone is the right word to use here. The children have gone to bed. They are still there. 4. They have blanked to the office. They will return soon. Now, this part of the sentence suggests that the people have not returned. And whenever you're talking about someone who went and is still there, use gone. 5. My sister has blank to the bank. She will be back later. This part of the sentence, she will be back later, shows that she has not returned. So the right word to use is gone. 6. We have blank to his house before. This sentence has to do with someone's experience. Also, the word before shows that we went there in the past and returned. So if someone goes to a place and comes back, then we use been. If you came back, use been. So, been should be the right word here. We have been to his house before. 7. I have just blanked to the market and I'm back now. When you're talking about someone who went and came back, use been. I have just been to the market and I'm back now. 8. She has blank to the shop, so she's not at home now. This part of the sentence shows that she is not here. So the right word to use is gone. 9. John has blank to the hospital. We are waiting for him. This part of the sentence, we are waiting for him, shows that he is not here. That means he has not returned. So the correct word to use is gone. John has gone to the hospital. We are waiting for him. 10. I have blank to the airport many times. As usual, I'll leave this last question for you to answer. Let me know if you actually understood the lesson. If you have learned the difference between gone and been, please give this video a like and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for watching.